This is an open invite to all aspirants for 2026 and even for 2027 जो प्रीलिम्स दे चुके हैं या फिर कोर्स खत्म कर चुके हैं या खत्म करने वाले हैं and you need some kind of support for preparation. You require only two things. Number one, you require access to my Telegram channel शब्बीर एडुकेमी फॉर IAS जहाँ पर मैं GS के सब्जेक्ट बेसिस स्प्रिंट करा रहा हूँ. And the second you need is a revolutionary tool called as Yooki, YOOKI. AskYooki.com is a tool that you can use for any type of content generation, current affairs, test taking, and also if you want to have some organizing of your content, you can do that. बस यही दो टूल चाहिए आपको, my Telegram channel and the Yooki as a tool. देखिए प्रॉब्लम होता क्या है? The problem is essentially you do not know what to read and by what time you must finish what. You need a kind of a laid down planner for yourself. You need a kind of a laid down schedule for yourself. Leave that to me. For every subject, topic by topic, I'll give you the specific dates, targets जो आपको करना है. Second क्या चाहिए? You need some source जहाँ से content generate कर पाएं, जहाँ से आप doubts पूछ पाएं, जहाँ से आप current affairs कर पाएं, and plus you can take tests. ये दो चीज चाहिए होता है, and that is why we join institutes, we join mentors, and of course we end up paying through our nose. ये दो टूल टेलीग्राम आपका completely free है और as of now यूकी भी free है. Of course, some months down the line, there will be a very small nominal fees that will charge you for using the Yooki AI tool. उसके बाद में you don't need anything else. You just need that conviction, that motivation कि नहीं बैठ के पढ़ना है. I'll give you the list of what topics to read. I will lay it down date by date. And with the Yooki tool, generate your content. With the Yooki tool, generate current affairs. With the Yooki tool, you can go and give your tests also. And very importantly, get a good analysis of कि आपके कौन से questions wrong हो रहे हैं और कौन से test attempts आपके flawed हैं. All this is like a magic, a revolution in how studying has been happening till now. It's a complete dramatic alteration of आप कैसे prepare कर सकते हैं and importantly, you'll be assured of success if you maintain a proper process to this. शब्बीर एडुकेमी फॉर IAS पक्का ज्वाइन करें and register login to Yooki.com and I tell you, your study will be enjoyable, much faster and more outcome oriented.